Hi everyone, I'm Glenda with SureFit Designs, whimsically known as Glenda the Good Stitch. In this very short video, I want to talk with you about international ordering and phone calling to place your orders. When you choose to call here to place your order, I'm actually very delighted about that. I love listening to your accents. But please make sure you do a little Google search on the front end to find out what time it is that's best in your country to call here. We're normally open from about 7 a.m. through till about 7 p.m. at night, and we don't use a call center or a processing center. You're actually going to get a human being, and that human being is likely going to be me. So I really would appreciate it that before you call, you find out what is the best time in your country to call here. Now I'm at my computer, and I'd like to introduce to you our international distributors. We are so fortunate to have SureFit Designs represented in major geographical locations. So let's start off with Elsebie Hearn in South Africa. This is Elsebie's website right here. Her address is surefitdesigns.co.za. Elsebie speaks Afrikaans as well as English. Next, we have Judith Johnson, and she's in the United Kingdom. Judith looks after the UK, Ireland, all the EU countries, and the Scandinavian countries. Her website address is www.surefitdesigns.co.uk. In Australia and New Zealand, we have Martha Schuster, who is located in Brisbane. Martha speaks Spanish as well as English. Her website address is www.surefitdesigns.com.au. And of course, the benefit from ordering from your international distributor is, first of all, you'll receive your package in a much more timely fashion. Secondly, you will have lower postage rates. And thirdly, you will have reduced taxes and clearance fees if there are any. We have a great team of international distributors. We all offer retreats, workshops, and one-on-one private sessions. And we're all happy to speak with you by phone or by email if you have any questions about SureFit Designs. One last thing that I should mention is that for those of you in other countries not already looked after by one of our international distributors, you are very welcome to order from SureFit Designs here in the United States. We do have a page of instructions called Ordering from Other International Destinations. Just go ahead and read it. Again, if you have any questions or things that you want answered, please make sure to email me directly at info@surefitdesigns.com. And a lot of you already are a part of the SureFit Designs community. But for those of you who aren't, I would invite you to join. And you can do that in 3 easy steps. Number 1, make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's just SureFit Designs, and then you'll be notified when I do put up new videos. Number 2, we have a great Facebook group, and that is facebook.com/groups/SureFit Designs. Women from all over the world are interacting with one another. They're posting their photographs, they're posting questions, they're helping one another with answers, sharing ideas, and in general having fun. It is a closed group, which means that when you post something, it's contained within the group. So you do need to request to join, and I will approve you. And thirdly, make sure you join the SureFit Designs newsletter. You can do that by going to surefitdesigns.com, where you'll find a pop-up form to complete. And when you do sign up for the newsletter, there's going to be all kinds of free gifts to get you started. Thanks so much for watching, and we all look forward to speaking with you.